Hey guys, this is Put Spice and I'm here today to do an unboxing, although it's not in the box anymore, of an item from HSN Craft Day. So I ended up placing 3 different orders. I placed order before Craft Day for 3 items, on Craft Day for 3 items, and then this weekend because they had free shipping. So this is fabulous. Now, I already took it out of the big box it ships to you in, and then of course, you know, everything comes in a product pack. I already threw that away. So I already took all the packaging off because I'm like, it's just gonna get in the way, and I left it downstairs. But I did not get this until after Craft Day, and it came within like 3 days, 3 or 4 days. Because it's Saturday and I ordered it on like Tuesday or Wednesday. I can't remember which one. So the Today special, and I had a 20% off coupon, and I was like, okay, I don't need another anything, but except for glue and tape. You know, we always need glue and tape. So I bought the Diamond Press Bitty. Now, if you've been on my channel for a while, you know I do enjoy Diamond Press products. I bought the Marquise when it came out, and I bought the big baby, the Grand Marquise, and so now I bought the Bitty. I was not going to, so let's just show you to it over here on with its brothers and sisters. Bitty, Grand Marquise. Back there isn't. The biggest one is the Anna Griffin, which is why I ended up getting the gold for this one, because they didn't have the navy of the Grand Marquise, and so that's why I got the gold of the Bitty, because they're supposed to have the same power. And I was like, well, we might as well go with the gold since I did that. Now they did have the blue and a midi. I said a midi, a blue. Okay, so I had to get it. It's so cute. Yeah. And I keep picking it up with stuff. You know how, like, if you have a haul, you pick everything up, or you try to pick everything up, put it in one hand and walk. Well, you know, dyes themselves are heavy. Then you start adding magnetic sheets and stuff, you know, that mug gets heavy. I keep thinking that this is going to be heavy, and it's like, whoa, oh, nope. They say it's less than 2 pounds, and it is certainly very light. Woohoo! I mean, not like cheap construction, but light as in, yeah, it does not feel very heavy. So that's a good thing. So yeah. It's just like, oh, that feels good. Whereas the Grand Marquise is a wonker, and the Marquise is, it's not as heavy as the big one, but it's not light either. Okay, so then here are the extras. Well, I won't say extras. It's not like they give it to you for free, right? But here are the other things that go with the kit. Now, the second thing I bought was these soft cut folders. These are the extra plates. So I got a set of extra plates. Now they sold out of the bigger plates, so I just got this small one because, you know, I use that anyway. And then let's go show you what they have. So, of course, you have all of your instructions, and it's a big old stack too. They gave you have instructions for the envelope. You have whatever instructions for the mini cake pop-up. You have instructions for using the Marquise, or I'm just gonna keep calling it the Marquise, the Bitty Marquise, how to take care of it, and so on. Now the difference is because these plates are different, and I'll show you here in a second. So they give you that. They give you instructions for the pull-up cake and how to do the hidden message. There are instructions for the embossing photos. I don't know if you really need embossing folder instructions, but Here are some items that are in it. There's other items that are in the kit. And there. And then, do I have two? And embossing folders. All right, so there's the instructions in case you did not know it stuff. You have these brand new plates. And I'll show you an old one just in case you don't know or don't remember. So these are diamond press plates. You get these in the Marquise. These will not fit in the biddy, and you cannot use the biddy, at least just like this, in the Marquise. You can in the Grand Marquise. So these will fit in the Marquise. These were your typical folders, like it's an actual folder. And people would complain because they warp. Right? Because they warp. Now, there's several things that you can do to, because I use these until they crack, wear out, whatever. So this one I've been cutting for a while, and then so people complained about that. I didn't think it was really that big of a deal because they give you a new folder every time you order that size product, right? And then you could cut it. So sometimes I've cut this so they're separate. But you see how it works, and it can be like, woo, you just keep going back, like, so you can do this, like flip it that way, flip it this way, you know, you can keep flipping it back and forth. But these plates are separate. So rather than having a folder, they gave you plates, which goes back to, like, you know, Anna Griffin machines and whatever. However, you only need these two plates, right? So there you go, like that. Now, what was I going to say? They are thicker. All right. I don't know if you can see that. But the two of them together, it's thicker. And supposedly you are able to, once these warp, heat gun them, put them under a book. They should be flat again. So we shall see if that holds true. We shall see. So there's the video. Now you have stencils. So you've got confetti. I'm not gonna take these out. So you have confetti and confetti on this one, and then on this set, when you have all the letter or all the numbers, an exclamation point, a star, some zigzaggy stuff, all those kind of things that you could put on a birthday cake or birthday balloons or something like that. Make sense? So there's that. Then you have these two embossing folders, and they are 3D embossing folders. All right, so it says insert from this end, and what they're probably telling you to do it this way, because if I can get this open, this is where it's closed, and this is the opened end. So you put it in the open end first. So you have a balloon, and you have, like, I don't know if you see that well, confetti strings, whatever. You have two sets of stamps. Now they said they released with the birthday one because that's what cards we send the most besides Christmas cards and items. So they said that was the reasoning for doing a birthday. And then, to be honest, even though the sentiments are birthday, like cakes and all that kind of stuff, that could be any type of celebration you want. Wish you a birthday stacked with frosting and joy. I think we ran out of candles. That's cold. Cupcake first, adulting later. Yeah, like this you don't even have to put like as whatever. So there's that one. And then your second set. This big old cake. And then you have a tall cake over here. I love you more than cake. That would be probably almost every person I love. I'm not really a big cake person. If there's a bowl of strawberries and a cake, I'm gonna eat the strawberries. So there's that. And then you have your set of dies. So you've got the front and back set. And it will make the envelope in another envelope, it'll make the little pull out for the little card thingy, and it will make the pop out, and then you have these to cut out all your items. Now let me see, you have one for the big cake, you have, what else do you have? It looks like you have one for the big cake, you've got the cupcake, it looks like you have stuff for the candles, I think these are candles, you've got icing, I don't know, is this a cake pan? I think this is a cake holder, I think that's what that is. And yeah, so I'm wondering if these fit. Does this fit this? Let's see, because there's only one cake die, so I wonder if this die, it'll fit that cake, but I wonder if it fits that cake. Yeah, you could do it and then just trim the top. Can you see that? So I am curious to see how this works. It has two balloons. You've got hooray. This is a something. I don't know what that one does. So that is the bitty. The bitty. And you know what? I want to see what this looks like. So why don't we take this? Let's do a trial run. And I'm gonna do, surprise, surprise, we're gonna do blue, right? Is that a surprise to anybody who watches my channel? It should not be a surprise if you watch my channel that I would pick blue. So here's where it is. I'm just gonna cut it a little smaller, and I'm not worried about it being perfect. I just want to see what it looks like. So we're gonna put it in here. Now it says insert this end into your machine first, so let's go ahead and pop that thing on there. Are we ready? Let's go for the try. I'm upset. It's got a little scuff on it already. All right. Are we ready? Are we ready? Let's go for a trial run. Let's go for a trial run. Ooh, it's smooth. Let's go for a trial run. Let's go for a trial run. Let's see what it does. Let's see how it does. Look at that. Now, of course, mirror card is always harder to see, but you can see the 3D-ness of it all. So the strings are in the back, and then they're embossed, if you can see that. And then the balloons are even further embossed. Yes. Which means you could also put these in your grand marquee, which means that is just lovely. Okay, let's do another one. We're just going to do a small piece because this is a scrap I have. So we'll just do the scrap. We'll try to line it. There we go. That should work. Let's go for the second voyage. And we're not surprised that it's purple, right? That I have blue and purple sitting on my desk right here. No, we are not. That is cute. I do like that. Because sometimes you get embossing folders and you're like, meh. Like this one, meh. It's all right. That's so fun. It makes me want to go get the 3D embossing folders I have and run them through my grand marquee. Because they would do the same. So those are fabulous. That's lovely. Okay. I guess that's about it. So it was smooth turning. So I shall see you guys later. Thanks for watching. And yeah, have a good day. Bye.